Alright, so we're making a new Minecraft video. Minecraft. Alright, Minecraft speedrun world record right here. Alright, start at the timer. Negative 42 seconds right now. Whew, gotta go. I got an awesome spawn. Alright, gotta go mining for diamonds. I need those diamonds for the Ender Dragon. Oh yeah, and it's not laggy because I'm not running something in the background. No. Not doing that. I gotta go mine for those diamonds though. Oh, mining for diamonds. I think I'm almost there. Gotta check my coordinates. Alright, 7. It's pretty boring. Alright, hold up, I got an idea. Alright. Day 4, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9. Oh! Oh, I actually didn't expect that. Uh-oh. Oh, he's got an iron shovel, gotta watch out. Well, that probably wasn't a smart idea to go over here. Aw, but I'm so genius that, look at that. He's all the way over there now. How is he gonna get me? He can't. So genius. But I've got no way back up. Oh, I got an idea. I have a way back up. Can't get me, Minecraft. Watch this. I'm just gonna teleport back to the surface. It's that simple. Oh my gosh, could this dude just drown already? Finally. Oh, guys, alright, I gotta go speedrun now. Speedrun, alright, just beat the game. Just beat the game. Yep, just beat the game. Just beat the game, I'm that good.